Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be sharing with you our top tumble drying energy efficiency tips to help you save money on the running of your machine. We have a few of these energy saving videos, so we'll link a playlist down below in the description and at the end of this video so you can maximise your money saving. But let's get started now with making your tumble dryer as efficient as possible. Our first few tips are about loading your tumble dryer. Try to pre-plan washes if you can, and try and dry items of a similar thickness together. Otherwise, if you're drying items that take a long time to dry in lots of separate loads, your tumble dryer will be on for longer and using more energy. Also, try to do full loads as much as you can. Your tumble dryer will use up the same amount of energy heating the air and spinning the drum with a few clothes in as it would with a lot of clothes in. So you may as well fill it up as much as you can, but don't overload it, as your clothes need space to move about inside and the air to circulate. Overfilling your machine means your clothes will take much longer to dry and will therefore use more energy. Overfilling also puts excess wear and tear on the internal parts of the machine, so it's best just to fill up the drum to just over halfway, which is ideal for drying. When you're loading your tumble dryer, make sure that you don't just grab big piles of clothes from your washing machine and shove it in. Be sure to shake each item and detangle them. This means that your clothes will dry much faster and they won't be as wrinkled. And if you're washing things like duvet covers, make sure that you do it the buttons or the poppers, as this will stop smaller items such as pants and socks from getting stuck inside and they won't dry as well. Speaking of your washing machine, it's a good idea to use a cycle with a fast spin speed if you're going to put your clothes in the dryer after. A faster spin means that more excess water will be removed so your clothes will dry much faster. When choosing a tumble dry setting to use, always consider the auto dry function if your machine has this option. A time cycle could leave your machine running after your clothes are already dry, but the auto dry settings will only dry your clothes for the amount of time they need. To help speed up the drying process, we also recommend these handy little tumble dryer balls. The balls save energy by separating the clothes in your dryer to help air circulate around them and dry them quicker. They have the added benefit of reducing static in your clothes and can even make your clothes softer too. To find out more about these handy energy saving gadgets, take a look at our other video up here. The drums on some modern tumble dryers will continue to spin after your clothes are dry. This is to prevent creases, but it does use up excess energy. So you can remove your washing as soon as it's dry and hang it up as an energy saving alternative. When you have a big pile of laundry to do, try and do all of your drying in one day. Tumble drying one load after another means that your machine won't have to use up as much energy heating up each time, as there will be residual heat inside your tumble dryer from previous loads. Now for a couple of energy saving maintenance tips. Our most important tip is to make sure that your lint filter is cleaned after every single cycle. A clogged lint filter will not only mean that your appliance will run less efficiently, but it can also be a fire risk if any lint gets inside your machine. But we have more information on this in our tumble dryer safety video up here. If you have a vented tumble dryer, be sure to check the outside vent and the vent hose of any dust, lint or other debris. This will allow your tumble dryer to vent air out safely and efficiently. And if you have a condenser dryer, be sure to empty the condenser drawer of water after every single cycle. Should your tumble dryer develop a fault, be sure to repair it, not replace it. A repairing mentality can save you hundreds if not thousands of pounds throughout your lifetime, and buying a spare part is always significantly cheaper than buying a new machine. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can access diagnosis and repair videos for any appliance should it develop a fault. If you do need a new tumble dryer, make sure that you get one with a really good energy efficiency rating. Efficient tumble dryers are a bit more expensive, but they will save you a lot more money over the machine's lifespan. Consider the different types of tumble dryers on the market as well. A heat pump tumble dryer, for example, works very similarly to a condenser dryer, in that it stores all the water removed from clothes in a container rather than venting it outside. However, heat pump dryers have the added benefit of reusing the hot air inside your machine, making them much more efficient. If you already have this type of machine, make sure that you clean the heat exchanger often to keep it at its most efficient. Lastly, think about where you're storing your tumble dryer. If it's kept in a garage, a lean-to or an outer building, it will use up more energy to heat up. So try and keep your tumble dryer in a warm part of your house if possible. Hopefully these tips will help you save on the running costs of your tumble dryer, but to really make a difference, you'll need to optimise the energy usage of all the appliances around your home, so take a look at our energy saving playlist here. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for diagnosis, repair and maintenance videos. Thanks for watching!